Hello friends, and today we're going to model another happy little tricky pretty shape. Here it is, and I think it's going to be pretty fast because it's not super hard and it will be mostly with the curves. Yeah, let's make it 75 and 75. Good. So this curve I'm just going to make it untouchable because it's our size and we will need it just for the first time. Okay, let's do this thing over here. Yeah, kind of like this, I think. Okay, let's select it again. F, radial array. Boom. Yeah, that's our champion here. And just a little bit bigger. Good. Okay, we don't need it here. We just need to do a face mode. Select it, Shift D. We need this one here, and these guys are going to be deleted. Good. And now we are going to select all of these brows and just round it up. Good. That's nice. Now about the legs of this little guy. I don't know if you don't see the pretty little guy here. Here's his hands, here's his head, 2 eyes, mouth, and legs, in case you don't see it. Okay, we don't need this thing anymore, and we need the center point arc. I think this is the center, like this, and here we go, Alt X to the other side. Good. Next thing, just a rectangle again around this size, put it higher over here, just see that, but not so high because we're looking on it in the perspective. Lower parts, make it super wide, happy little smile, and this one should be a bit smaller. Yep, like this. Okay. And inner parts. Yep, I need this one. I need to do the offset here just a little because we need this inner part. And although we need to take the circle, and I guess it should be over here, like a little bit bigger, like this. Maybe bigger. What do you think? Yeah, I think it's bigger, like this. I will hide them. This, Shift C, and cut it. Alt X. Boom. Yep, and this lower one is going to be smaller than these two. Something like this. This one and this one. Yes, yes, good. The first one is the object that we want to cut, and the second is the cutter. We also need one more of this offset over here, I guess. Yeah. What are we going to do now? We are going to extrude all of this, like all of this, 1.5 millimeter, all over curves, and put them in front. And now I want to take these guys and do Shift I, imprint, and select this one. Good. Hide the curves, save it. What do we need to make here? We need to extrude it here, like this. And these guys, I want them to be deleted by Shift X. Okay. And then I'm going to select this side, and press the Loft key and get it on a G0. Good. Does it remind you something? I think this picture. Join it. Don't forget to join it. And now I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just a little bit smaller. Yup, something like this. Good. Maybe a little bit bigger, you know, like this. Now let's drop some holes. One is should be in the center here. I think somewhere over here. Yep. Let's do a C, cut hole. Get rid of it by X. Let's drop one. And then let's check how it will go. A bit lower. To the side. C, cut it. Apply it. X, Alt X. From left to right. Nice. Merge it. Yeah, I think over here one should be like this. One should be over here somewhere. C, boom, cut it. Oh, just X. Take it, Alt X. From this side to that side. Q, save it. Okay, and the finishing part over here is just a little bevels. I think, yeah. And also these things similar over here, over there, like this, and over here like this. Yeah, good. Then we are going to make all of these guys with the same cool chamfer, like this. Here is going to be a small little bevel. Love it. Here is also going to be a small little bevel. I love it. Let's take it like this. Let's take them and just do this thing. Yeah, that looks very good. I love it. Maybe we can do this one a bit wider or lower, just not to super match these guys. Okay, Alt X from this side to this side and press Q to merge it. Yeah, I think I will do it like this. Make it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. Shift J it, patch it, yep. And patch it from the other side, Shift J. Make the O here, I think it should be like this. And drop this guy over here, like we will do Shift D here. And just make it a bit thicker. Can we just thicken it? Yep, we can. And make these things smaller. Kinda like this. Yeah. Sorta. Good. Okay, if I understand correctly, yeah, I have these two objects. Nice. And I will do it like this. Good. Yeah, some sort of a bolt here. Nice. I will take this one. Can I just adjust a angle over here a little bit? Make it smaller. Put a little bit over here. Let me see. How does it? Not a big deal. Let's just loft it together like that. But with G0. Join with J. I will drop a small one here. To finish it up, I wanted to have this star. How much points does it have already? It's like 10 here. And let's take every second one and do this thing. Shift I. And now it works. Sometimes it doesn't work. I don't know why. Oh, so that's what I've done. Good. Okay, it's not a big deal. I can just cut it into if I really need it. And I think I will. You know, why not? Let's just drop it over here and do a C and cut it here. Good. It all over the place. Yeah, and just make it a small one here. And the same one over here. And this one. And let's drop it like this. Like this. Extrude it, boolean it, and adjust the boolean so it will work good. Simply alt exit here, and also take it here and alt exit here. And I want to make it smaller to match this thing a bit. Good. Alt exit from this side to this side. QQ. Good. This thing looks super vibey. I love it, definitely. It's one of my favorite things so far. Bevel here, like this. Hope you like it too, and hope you have the same beautiful shape, or even much better. I think you have much better shape. These guys need to be over here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys and girls.